Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Hello everyone, good evening. Nice to meet you. Welcome to our musical night. Today I'll introduce a guest who is here. Okay dear, let's talk to her. Hello, excuse me.
Yes, please.
May I ask you a series of questions?
Why not? You may.
Thanks for your consent. Could you please tell us your name?
Thanks for asking. My name's Nidhi.
Oh, Nidhi. What do you do?
I'm a student.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 8.
Another important question asking for you. What's your ambition?
I want to be a fashion designer in future.
That sounds good. By the way, why are you learning English?
Well, look, you know that English is an international as well as important language. You can say it modern language. So, I'm learning this language.
Well. The last question for you. Could you please tell us about your favorite hobby?
Well, it's very interesting. My favorite hobby is gardening.
Thank you so much for joining us.
It's fine.
Okay dear, we have no something about the thesis, so no more today. Please take it easy and pardon me. Hope to see you next. Bye.
See you, bye.